This would be our prediction for the day on odd US dollar. This video is also brought to you by Invest Social, a community where a group of traders come together to share market insights, trade setup, knowledge, and also ideas. You can visit the site which is Invest Social to be part of this community. Also know it is open for all traders of experience level, both beginners and experienced traders. It is also open for developers and also market analysts. Once again, visit the site which is investsocial.com. Starting with this movement right here, when you see this odd US dollar, this is the trend right here. Market right here is giving us, starting to give us this uptrend movement. Previously, it was trending to the downside. This was a trend previously right here. It was trending to the downside. This was a previous trend. Right now, it is trending to the upside, which is giving us that movement. Let's zoom it in a bit. We had an high, and here comes the pullback, which is an higher low. Market was able to give us a new high, and this is a pullback, which is an higher low. We are to expect market to push up to form a new high that should completely take out this previous high, thereby giving us a new higher high. So this should be our next movement on AUDUSD, which is a bullish move that should form a new high. Now, pay attention to this movement right here, guys. This is a crucial level. I want you all to know that whenever markets get to a crucial level, especially once there is a reaction at that level previously, and market gets to that same level, there would most likely going to be a reaction at that same level. Pay attention to this on odd USD. There was once a reaction at this level, and then we once had a reaction at this level. Odd USD has literally dropped to this level, and we are to expect a reaction at this level that should make market to eventually reject and bounce up. Also, guys, always make sure your buyers are flexible, as there is a potential or possibility that markets will drop more. The potential and possibility that markets will drop more is still very much there. So have it in mind that there's a potential and possibility that markets will drop more. But if not, market should likely reject and push up. So this should be our forecast. A bullish move is what we should be expecting for the day on our odd USD. So join the community on investsocial.com to be part of us.